Go ahead.
So you install the probe,
Yep.
you on a handle,
Okay.
PSM.
It comes up on the display.
Yep, that comes up. Now you can bring your tool to the probe.
Oh, okay. Using the RPG wheel.
It's a hand wheel.
What?
Hand wheel.
Right.
Yeah.
I call it a pulse generator.
Okay. You have to be within like 5 millimeters of your probe before you do that. So once you get that, then you get your jog, and if you're doing the X,
Yeah.
then you hold the X. If you're doing the Z, which will be over here,
Yeah.
if you're gonna do the Z positioning, then you get it within 5 millimeters of your probe.
Oh, okay.
Then you just hold the Z button, and it touches the probe, and it registers it.
Okay. That's how it works.
Your tool volume.